Hi, crafty friends. If your watercolor pans slide around, fall out, or just won't stay put, this quick little hack might be a game changer for you. Today, I'm showing you how to stretch your watercolor tins using something I found completely by accident, and it lets you fit more pans without anything permanent. I have several of these watercolor tins with side inserts, and no matter how much I push those flaps in, my half pans still slide around, shift, and sometimes even fall out when I open the tin. And honestly, it can get a little frustrating. So I started looking for a better solution and came across magnets that are actually made to fit half pans perfectly. These are the 3M 300 LSE magnets, and they come in a 5-sheet pack of pre-cut half pan sizes, so no measuring or trimming required, which is great. First, I remove all of the half pans from the tray. Next, I pop off the side inserts. They snap right off the tray itself, but don't toss them out. You can save them in case you ever want to revert back to using them. Then I take each pan and apply a magnet to the back because each of these magnets already has the adhesive attached. Once everything is back in place, the tray snaps right in, and now the tin holds 24 pans comfortably. And if you want, you can easily add another row, add 12 more, giving you a total of 36 half pans in one tin. So going from 24 to 36 is amazing. What I love about this setup is that the pans stay exactly where you put them. No shifting, no sliding, no rattling around when you move the tin. This is such an easy swap if you've had issues with the inserts, as I did, or just want to maximize your space without committing to anything permanent. I'll link the magnets in the description below if you're on the market to revamp your watercolor tins. If this tip helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more crafty ideas like this. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Take care, friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.